Hey, good afternoon, folks. Ben Kruger here with Old School Manufacturing. Hey, we wanted to do a short video here on replacement of our motor starter coil. So this is our motor starter, bringing power in, taking power out, helping control our system and keep us safe. But for some reason, I drive through the field, my monitor says Zapper is running, my bar's not doing jack. I'm not getting any amps on the monitor, I'm not killing any weeds. What's going on? Well, you're going to call me Ben Kruger, and I'm probably going to tell you, hey, could be our contactor coil. We're going to go through a couple different steps on the monitor to help diagnose that, but if we discover this is our problem, I want to show you how to replace it right quick. A couple tools needed. Number one, pocket knife. Okay, I'm going to pick up on these wires right here. They're actually zip tied right to a big zip tie right there. Can you see that in the picture? Okay, I'm going to cut that big zip tie. I'm not going to cut my wires, just the zip tie, right? Okay, what I'm actually going for is right back here. I'm going to actually remove these two blue wires here. I need a Phillips screwdriver to do that, like the one that Dad just handed me. I'm going to stick it down in there, turn it, same way on the other one, turn it. These are non-polarized. It doesn't matter which one or which location they go back in. So I'm going to remove them. Okay, now I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to reach down here to the bottom of this contactor coil. I'm trying to figure out a way to do it so that you can see better. I guess I'm just going to have to cover it up. There's a lever right here at my fingers. Pick up on the lever, pull it out. You may have to move your cables around a little bit. Basically, this is our contactor coil. It will come out. Be gentle with it. Don't get in a hurry. Okay, we got it out of there. Takes a little bit of work. As you can see, it comes out. This is the part that we're going to ship to you. This is the actual coil itself. This part here, unless the plastic is broken, there's not really much to go wrong there. Installation of this, exact opposite. Just put it back in there. Hold your tongue just right, or remove a couple more cables. It's up to you. As you can see, you can finagle it around and get it in there. You have to be patient. It is plastic here, so we don't want to break stuff. Once again, it does go back in. Make sure that we don't catch any wires. Pull them back out of the way. Now, okay, you see it's got about an inch here. So the last thing I'm going to do is slam the door, right? I'm going to put my wires back over here out of the way. Slam it in there, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and put my wires back in my terminals, both of them. Go ahead and tighten those back up. Then I'm going to do the tug test. Everything's good. We just replaced a contactor coil. Didn't take us very long to do it. Hope this helps. Thanks for your business and have a blessed day.